to the class. Today what we're going to do will be we're going to cut roll flowers, right? There are various items, materials or media that we wanted to cut. The file actually provided is originate from a SVG file, right? So I will actually drag and drop a SVG file onto the XCS canvas. So I will do that. Okay, so there are total of 4 different types of flowers down here. So first of all, what I will do is I will just arrange them to get a closer. Okay, get them closer. Right. So from here, what I will do is because I'm going to cut my papers are in metric form, so they are in A sizes. So I'm actually using the size of the paper is A3 size. So I think in the UK you'll be understand. In the US it will be because you're using the imperial sizes. But anyway, I'm going to make use. Because the A3 size there are 15 cm, I guess, and they are almost 41 cm, right? So I'm going to make use of the array tools. So I'm going to fill in the x-axis. I only can be able to make 1, and the y-axis I will be able to make 3. Okay, so here you go. So the whole size of the flower will be, we are talking about 398. So basically it's within the A sizes, the A3 size, and the for the height size they are 284. Okay, so it can be able to fit into the A3 size. Okay, so the power, because I'm actually cutting a colored cardstock at 160 GSM. So for that, I will actually use 80% power, and the speed I can remain at 20. Okay, the pass is 1. So I'm going to use a score function. Okay, so for a color cardstock, I'm going to use 80 and 20. So if I'm going to cut a 300 GSM, I will actually bump the power up to 98% power, and the speed is about 10 to 15. So it's going to be slow. Okay, so that is the settings that I use for the two media. So for felt as well, the same. That goes with the foams as well. So the foams are in 1 mm thick. So shouldn't be any problem by using the laser to cut them. Right. So we will actually hit the process. And I enable the spot laser. The estimated time down here is 7 minutes, but in the real life, it actually takes about 12 minutes. Okay, so it's just an estimation of the time. What I have done with various colors, that it actually takes about 12 minutes to be able to cut the color 160 GSM cardstock. Right, so we will go into the laser bay. I will show you the speed up of the cutting and the assembly and the actual after being, we actually glued them and put them up onto the decoration piece. I will just show it to you. Right, bye, see you there. So by actually using the quilling tool, we can be able to roll the flowers by, after we actually laser cut, we slot them into the slotting tool. All right, and That's how it goes. Okay, by applying a little glue down at the base, we actually glued them and we hold it to make it dry, and what we do is we will actually open up the petals. All right, so this is what we mean by rolled flowers. So let me show it to you. Okay, this is one of it. Okay, you can be able to see, and there is another petal. Okay, so this is what it means by rolled flowers. Okay, so after we glued, okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and this is the whole works of it. Okay,